Perseverance is a quality of winners. Swaraj from West Bengal is a living example of that. If we look at his journey, starting from his first match, the boy had a tough time during the initial stages of the competition.
Start.
Other participants scored the best timings for the entire league stage. But shockingly, Swaraj's robot could not finish even a single round across the same league stage. But Swaraj was hopeful, and hence he celebrated the spirit of the game by wishing other participants the best of luck.
That's the best of luck for the semi-finals.
Thank you.
Soon, we saw Swaraj in one of the first wildcard matches. We all saw his battle once again for the golden ticket to the semi-finals. But unfortunately, things did not turn out in his favor. But his never give up attitude brought him back for another wildcard match, and this time his hard work paid him off with a golden ticket to the semi-finals. This time he won the wildcard round with his upgraded robot.
So Swaraj, your timing has been impressive. It is 1 minute and 8 seconds and 15 milliseconds.
With all his efforts in the right direction, Swaraj entered the semi-finals and gave an amazing score.
And stop. Still a better time. 1 minute and 2 seconds and 2 milliseconds. It is still a better time.
This time, he not only raced well, but he proved himself as one of the best among his competitors, and this also made him become a finalist for this year's IRC. For such is the story of Swaraj and his spirit. Swaraj's effort should be appreciated. So, people all around West Bengal, show your support for Swaraj.
Best of luck, Swaraj!
And catch the IRC final on December 11th, 7 p.m. only on India's best robotics learning channel, WitBlox.